Damn, nigga, man. This the one. This the one.
Yeah. Left for dead, I done seen it all. Niggas wanna see you big, wanna see you fall. Can't believe these shades was 350, I can't see it all. Locked in with my bitch, we like forever, I can't be a dog. Phone go to ringing in a hurry on the slab with it. Now I'm in the kitchen, use my wrist, I do my dad with it. Heard I dropped 10K inside that bird, it got you mad with it. How you niggas tore up for that fitted, boy, you sad with it. Hold up, let me count my letters. Blues on my debit, water on me like a levy. From that bad, I'm so heavy. You ran out that Chevy, what?
What's good, y'all? It's the Maverick, and I'm back with another episode of Shoe Talk. And today, as you can see, we have the Deion Sanders Diamond Turf 2s. It's been a while since these dropped, so I know a lot of people are excited. People that couldn't get the Diamond Turfs back then, you're able to get them now. Before we get into the video, I just did the Saucony video. Sportsman Paradise, Politics collab. Make sure y'all go watch this video if y'all haven't done so already. And we have the Bronx Girls Skate collab, Nike SB collab. Make sure y'all watch this video as well. All right, let's get into it. This is the box that it comes in. I'm gonna show y'all the size tag. Prime red, white, and black. This is how they look. They have this 49ers and FSU inspired colorway. As you can see, we have this nice, vibrant red. The material is nice, very smooth material. Then we have some leather here as well. This is the mid-foot strap, white Nike swoosh. We have this leather here, soft leather. I think this shoe was made pretty well so far. We have black here. This is what the toe box looks like. Got some gold accents. Also have gold Nike on the back. With this field goal symbol on the back in black and white. Then we have red laces. This is what the tongue looks like. Has 21 on it. Also has a number 10 on the inside. This is a size 10, but it has a number 10 right here as well. Black swoosh here. Then we have air on this side. I'm gonna show y'all the bottom. Another swoosh on the bottom. Go ahead and show y'all the other shoe. These are dropping February 7th. The retail on these are about $170. Only men's sizes. But I think they're pretty nice. I say it's like more catered to a man. I can see like men wearing this shoe. I can't see myself wearing it, but it's a pretty nice shoe. I think it's made pretty well. Might be kind of comfortable too. Last year in 2025, the Diamond Turf 1s made their return, and they dropped quite a few of them, but people weren't really checking for them like that. They kind of fell off. Now the Diamond Turf 2s are here. So I'm just interested to see how they're gonna sell. A lot of people are not really checking for these. There's other shoes coming out as well around this time. So these may sit, but this is a classic. Definitely a shoe that if you haven't got back then, a lot of people want to get them now. So I'm hoping that they sell well, but the Diamond Turf 1s didn't really sell that well. The first couple pairs did sell well, but later down the line, down the year, it did not sell too well. But this is the first drop of the Diamond Turf 2s, so hopefully they do sell out. But It's being released with a lot of shoes also being released as well. They have the same release as the Valentine's Day 4s and also the Infrared 6s not too far after. And just so many shoes that's coming and about to drop. So I don't know. I will hope that these sell out. I hope they do well. But honestly, might not be likely. But this pretty much wraps up the review. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Again, we're on the road to 10K subscribers, so make sure y'all keep subscribing and sharing the page. Make sure y'all go watch these videos, Bronx Girl Skate, and the Politics Pro Grid Omni 9 Saucony collab. And yeah, peace.
Stripes when you beat the body in a studio. They say my style is original. I'm getting money upgraded from a criminal. Had to take my